Are we live, chat? Good morning. Good morning. We are live and it is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Let's go. Jake Dell is here. Michael, good morning, Miss K. Good to see you. Sean Evans, Frosty Ducks, Timbo, Hawkeye Boy, Black Coffee is here. Good morning, Trader 808. Carry on, Micro Player, Timbo, Kid Poker. Good morning, Kid Poker. Let's go, Captain Crunch. Good morning, John. John is here. Good morning. Let's go, Chad Holcomb. PHC Trader, Peter, good morning. Zachromancer, Jim O. Niles, good morning. Let's do this, chat. We are, today is the grand day of the SpaceX IPO. So I don't know what to expect. Honestly, I don't really feel like it's going to do much, but maybe I'm just, I don't know. I feel like it's not going to be as big of an event as people make it out to be. But we shall see. We shall see. Hey, let's go, Kid Poker. Hit the range this afternoon. Man, I'd love to go golfing this afternoon, but I just don't have time. I go golfing. I don't go golfing, and when I'm up here in Ohio, I don't go golfing near as much as I do in Florida. Florida, I just have way more time. Up here, it's hard. A lot of stuff going on. The first print might be around 8:50. Yeah, Central Time. Isn't it like around 10 o'clock? I think around 10 o'clock is when it's officially publicly traded. So that is definitely a time to be aware of. Yeah, we got to be aware of it for sure. Gotta be careful. All right, market is open. We are pulling back right off the rip. Let's wait and see. Again, I mean, I'm going to be careful trading around 10 o'clock. I don't know. Today feels like one of those days where you just want to be careful. Don't want to go too big size. Just going to be careful. Today we just want to survive. We just want to survive the Friday. Head into the weekend without any kind of crazy damage. Also, chat, we officially requested another payout on Take Profit Trader, and it was approved. I think that's about, we've taken out about $2,000 from Take Profit Trader this week, so that is great. We need it. We need it, chat. We need it. Overnight lows are down here at the 550s, so kind of it looks like we want to go lower, at least for now. Let's see, 660s are trying to hold. I mean, I can get a short setup here if we make kind of new lows. Feel like right now it looks like a short setup's going to be more likely than a long. But we're just waiting. I am not going to be in any kind of rush to take a trade today. But we will take those trades. I'm going to I'm going to trade my Apex accounts first. So I did actually my trade day accounts. I need to check something. I think we could almost take a payout. Let's double check our trade day accounts. Yeah, so we have 3 of the 5 days. For some reason, okay, yeah, it would be 3. So we need 2 more days of $150 or more. All right. Trying to get down below the 620s. All right, we're testing the 600s. Yeah, I feel like we can get a short setup here. We just need a pullback now. We just need a pullback. I love to get a nice solid day on these Apex accounts. Get those Apex accounts back into neutral territory would be nice. And Wise Man once told me, caution Fridays, because the bad taste all weekend is not fun. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street's that's exactly how I feel today. Today I just feel like I'm fine. I want to take my setups, but honestly, I'm fine with just surviving the day. Because you know what that means? If we survive today, we have officially Nutty 2.0 has officially survived for a full week. That's major headline news. That is some big news, chat. So yeah, we need 2 more days of $150 or more on the trade day accounts, and then we can take a payout. Also, I did do contract rollover. Ninja Trader asked me to do it this morning, so I did it. So we are on the September contracts, chat. How did you do this week on the 2.0 method, Peter? I did well. I feel like it went well. We definitely took some losses, but we also took some payouts. So I'm encouraged. Okay, chat, we got to pay attention. We might be getting a setup here. Now I want to see. We got to wait till this candle closes, and then we get our entry. Yeah, Kevin Tobias. I mean, I usually just go off of Ninja Trader. Did anybody else roll over already? Oh, really, John? The My Fund of Futures account immediate activation? Yeah, Lucid does that as well. I should check back. I haven't used My Fund of Futures in so long. I should go back and check. I should see if Matt Leach is I could see if he's willing to make me an affiliate again. I'm not sure I want to be. He kind of ticked me off last time. Am I going to watch soccer today? Maybe a little bit. But I'm not a huge soccer fan. Just you know, never got that much into. I enjoy it now a little more than I used to. Wait until September has more volume than June. I mean, I know, but usually I just wait on I just wait on Ninja Trader to tell me when to roll over, and that's when I roll over. And this morning it told me to roll over. So I rolled over. All right, chat. We might get a short setup here. Our entry is going to be right here. All right, now we just wait and see if we get entered. Or is this going to rip straight back up? I wish I could take 2 micros here, but volatility is still just a little bit too high. Still not getting triggered here. Hey, I closed up shop yesterday. Want to protect my gains for the week. Hey, that's a good move, Red. I'll wait till next week to roll. Don't want to adjust my areas. To be honest, I don't want to trade it. Yeah, John, yeah. All right, this looks like we're not going to get filled. I mean, we can still get entered here, but we might have an entry up here at the 780s as well. All right, now we wait. No entry. All right, 760s trying to get. Holy what? Whoa, what was that? What was that? Oh, I wish I would have kept my order. I guess we wait. I guess we wait. What is going on? Something's happening, chat. The war is back on. Good morning, Max 90. Timbo, good morning. Yeah, that's something that's going on. What is happening right now? Wow. That is wild. Good morning, Clyde. Good morning, Clyde. BPCFB, good morning. Thoral, good morning. Samuel, good morning. Trump, Iran is talking. Fake news. No idea what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that was. I think today is the day. What is going on? What is going on, chat? This is insane. I'm okay not trading this. I mean, if I would have kept my short open, I would have been okay with this. But I mean, I was thinking I might get an entry up here. I did not expect this. Look at. All right, overnight lows are getting ready to be taken out. Here we go, testing those overnight lows. Your TP was 2 points away and then it went down? No way, Sorrel. That is terrible. Trump said peace terms do not match agreement with Iran. So you're telling me Orange Man wants to buy more. I got it. Got it. It's crazy, man. Yeah, this is craziness, man. Are we just now we're just gonna go right back up? We just gotta wait now and see if we get another short entry. Anyone having Apex connection issues on Rhythmic or on Tradevate? If I'm thinking bearish or bullish, I mean, right now I'm looking bearish. I think, or I'm gonna look for shorts. We just need to pull back up into that 670, 680 area. And then we wait and get a short setup. We take it. Wow, it's just gonna dump. She dumping, boys. 15-minute chart. We tried to, the overnight looked like we were going to take out those previous day high and maybe keep going. But nope, we just dump and now looking very, very questionable. It's just a lot of volatility here. Lots of volatility. Look at this thing pump right back up. All right, we can get an entry here around the 650s. Makes me nervous to trade this. This one micro, it's kind of crazy. Good morning, Clarity. Let's go. Nutty 2.0 is still intact. It's still intact. I meant for a coming week. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Oh, you mean for the coming week red? I don't know. I mean, I think if I look at the daily chart, I would, this kind of looks like we want to make it move back up, but it's going to depend a lot on how the day ends. But I don't know. I think we're going to have a lot of volatility the next couple of weeks. I think the volatility is here to stay. Come on, market. Give me a good entry short and let's go. Doesn't look like it wants to do it. We need another ceasefire. A 100-point bounce. Yeah. This looks crazy. 520 to the 620 is, it doesn't even look that big of a move. I remember when 100-point moves were a big deal. SpaceX 174 open. Oh dear. Is it? Where can I watch SpaceX? Because it's not part of the NASDAQ yet. I received 7% of my requested allocation from Schwab. 7%? Oh, okay. Thanks, John. At least we can keep my eye open. All right, we might see we might get some we might get an entry here. All right, if we come back down here, we would have an entry. Looks like we're just wants to rip right back up now, huh? Yeah, I saw that, John. So 171 open. That's crazy, man. Ooh, we might get filled. Are we gonna get filled, chat? We might get filled here. We wanna, if I get filled, I wanna see this thing rips or dump. I wanna see it dump straight down through the new lows. If we get trapped, we're gonna get stopped out very quickly if this is a trap. Who thinks SpaceX is gonna halt? Oh, can it? Is it even gonna, like, can it halt? So it can. Good morning, TCM Trades. Good morning, all. Hey, good morning. Hi, bye. Yeah, we did sweep the lows, the London lows. But I mean, I feel I'm okay with taking a short here. But there's definitely a chance we just get, we get trapped, but let's just be patient and let's see what happens. Well, this is not looking like we're going to get filled. All right. We might get another setup here, I'm hoping. Hoping we get another short setup. Let's wait and see. When is the SpaceX IPO actually tradable? Let's go, John. Yes, I did the hoodie trader. Ninja Trader asked me to switch. Ninja Trader asked me to roll over to the new contracts, so I did. So, I don't know. I feel like it's early or earlier than normal, but I just always do the way it is. Whatever Ninja asks me to do, I do it. Unless it tells me to jump off a bridge, then I won't. 10 a.m. it can start being traded. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we're 2-3 minutes away. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning. June is moving smoother. I mean, I kind of agree. Usually you don't roll over until like Tuesday of next week. So I don't know. It is kind of weird. Yeah, now this doesn't look like we're gonna get any setup. Hey, at least we didn't get, you know, filled and then it rips higher. So I'm just happy that we're waiting for our entries. We're waiting. We're being patient. Tradeovate did not ask you to roll over yet. Interesting. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check something. If I switch back, man, I do the volume. Man, the volume is more than, it's almost triple what it is. I'm gonna switch back. I'm gonna switch back to June contracts. That's just too big of a difference. That's kind of weird though. Why is there a gap here? It's kind of weird. Yeah, BP, I agree. I did. I reloaded all data. Still. All right, there we go. That's better. Okay. I mean, this is a short. Do I take this? No. All right, that has to be the IPO. I'm not touching this. Is SpaceX, is it on? Now, SpaceX is still not, that's not SpaceX. They're still not trading. All right, we are ripping higher. I don't know. We might get. I mean, technically, I can still get a short setup right here. So I guess we got to look for a short, but this thing looks very bullish all of a sudden. Very bullish. No Michigan. Oh, it was Michigan sentiment. Oh, I see. Got it. Wait, now it's expected to start trading this afternoon? That's crazy. Wow. I guess we shall wait. This thing is just ripping straight up right now. Man, do I take a short here? think I'm going to do it. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. K Trader K, it can take them hours to sort out the supply and demand for the first print on a big IPO. That's crazy. Yeah, I guess that makes sense, but it's going to be crazy volatile right at the open. I know that. Okay, we might have a short here. If this thing closes above the 470s, then we do not have anything to, we have no trade. It looks like it's going to do that. Yeah, all right, chat. We might just be sitting on our hands all day long. Wow, look at this thing go. All right, testing that opening high, 15-minute opening range high being tested. 29,500s. Man, we're just going to be sitting here twiddling our thumbs all morning. Because now the EMAs are crossing over. So now we got to wait. We got to wait quite a bit for the longs. It's going to be a day. Nutty never reads any of my hilarious knee slappers. Let me read it. I want to see it. Oh, if I'm going to buy the Joom, I wish, Joom. I wish. Where's Design Knob? We need Design Knob at least to stop in and say hi. We need at least him to say hi. How much could I make if I bet $10 on the IPO? I have no idea. I mean, I know he took a break from trading, which, you know, that's fine. I just want him to stop in and say hi, you know? And we are going higher. All right. I mean, this is good. Now I just wanted to keep going higher. Keep going higher. Let's make new highs and let's just get some nice, longs going. He will be back. How did you get the gap to fix when you roll back? I tried reloading. I don't know. I just did it a couple times. I reloaded it a couple times and then it fixed it. And right back up. We are ripping this thing higher. 560s now. I mean, that was a pretty good again, the overnight lows got swept and that was the reversal. So I feel like watching that overnight lows and highs are definitely tradable. Definitely tradable. He came from the great generation. Yes, John. Yes. Agreed. Hey, good morning, M. Brown. Distraction time before he trades a Carrie Underwood parody. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get in short. I'm glad I didn't. Thankfully, we followed our plan. The shorts never materialized. Look at it go, Chad. Ripping it higher. 580s now. Why? I mean, we just wait. We wait. Hang on, I'm checking something out. Hey, 44X Punisher, good morning. Good morning, Bren. DRB Brennan. Naradam. I don't know. Nutty 2.0 patience is new level. I agree. We're being patient. Less excitement, but okay, we can get I think we can get an entry here basically, if we get a pullback into the 500s, 29 500s, we can get an entry, chat. Come on. I just want an entry. Oh, chat, last night we had a great time. Last night we went over to my parents' place, and we went over to my parents, and Cody caught his first fish. Cody caught his first fish. It was awesome. It was awesome. He loved it. He loved it. Actually, do I have a picture? Oh yeah, here Kevin caught a fish as well. By the way, guys, have you recently seen how tall Kevin is? This is Kevin. Kevin is almost as tall as I am. It's actually crazy. But yeah, he caught a fish. And then let me show you Cody. This is I love this. I love this picture. I love it. Let me find Cody. I had to help him, but he did it. I hooked him and then he reeled in. Look at that. Cody's first fish. That was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. It was a bluegill. A bluegill is what we were fishing for. But yeah, Kevin is gonna be tall. Kevin is only 12 years. No, he's 13. Sorry. But Kevin is 13 and he's already 5'8". So yeah, I don't know, man. He's gonna get taller than me. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a problem. Yeah, bluegills are tasty. We just did catch and release. No, Cody, he wanted to put the fish back in the pond. Yeah, I've got him. I've definitely got him by weight. One of these days, Chad, I'm gonna go on a diet. I'm gonna take it seriously. I'm gonna do it. I just like food too much. And my wife keeps making such good food. It's so hard to stay on a diet. One of these days, I'm gonna do it. Well, I was hoping we get a pullback. I mean, we are getting hopefully we get an entry here around the 500s. That'd be great. But right now, we just gotta be patient. We will get a setup today. We will get it. No more lies, TCM. I'll do the nutty cleansing. I'll do the cleanse. I'll do a 1 week cleanse. And then after that, I'll do a strict, where I lost the most weight is when I did the carnivore diet. Where I did the, what do you call that? I forget the diet that you call it, but you only eat meat. But I feel like yeah, eat all you want and move and you'll be fine. I mean, I just hang around kind of the same weight, but I'd love to lose like 20 pounds. I could definitely use 20. Yes, keto diet. It's called the human diet. Yeah, keto. That's what I would. That's the best success I've had. I am Jay Wilson. I see food and I eat it. And it's like, gosh. And I'm like, the problem is I don't care enough. It's like a balancing act where it's like, I mean, I wouldn't say that I'm definitely not in shape, but I'm not like obese. Okay. So it's not like I'm obese, but I could definitely lose 20 pounds and I would feel a lot better. But then it's like, does it really matter? Like, we have some good, there's just so much good food. And I'm like, oh man, just want to eat a little bit of it. Yeah, actually, I've got the prototypical dad bod. Yeah, I agree all in trades. If I do go on a diet, it's gonna be for me and me all. I'm not gonna do it. I mean, maybe for my wife, but I'm just not in the mood to. I'm not gonna get shredded. I'm not getting shredded and then doing all that stuff. Nah, that's it. I'm just not. That's not to me. First of all, it messes with my golf swing. If I work out too much, it messes with my golf swing, and I ain't doing that. Yeah, my blood. I'm good. My blood pressure is good. My lung condition is the only issue. My lung condition is, but my lungs are 10 times better than they were 2.5 years ago. 2.5 years ago, my lungs were in bad shape. Today, they're fine. Nutty 2.0 at 10% body fat. Is it good food or a recreation drug? if I'm healing, yes, John, yes. So since I have been avoiding the winters, so the one thing I've discovered with my lung condition, which whatever, for those of you that don't know, I have pulmonary sarcoidosis. But the one thing I've discovered is there's two things that really negatively affect my lungs. So number one is when it's really dry air. So dry air is not good for my lungs. And then the other thing that isn't good for it is cold air. So cold, dry air is just really bad for my lungs. And it really affects it. Like I can tell a big difference. So going to Florida for the winter has made a huge difference. I feel great. I used to, back when it was bad, like 2.5 years ago, it got to the point before I went to Florida for the winter, I seldom slept in a bed. Like if I laid horizontal, I couldn't sleep. I coughed so much that I literally could not sleep. So I ended up basically sleeping on a recliner for 80 to 90% of the time. So very, very thankful that I'm just able to go to Florida, and it's made a huge difference. Thanks to you, chat. Thank you, chat. Hey, thank you, John. Thank you, John. All right, we might have a setup. Hold on. Time to start focusing and stop chatting. Once this candle closes, we can get our entry. We need this candle to close somewhere down here, not up here. I'm not going to take my entry up here at the 600. So I really want this candle to close somewhere right where it's at. And if it keeps going lower, we can still get a setup, but We just wait. What's with Nutty 2.0? It's a new me. It's a new me. I only take one setup. I only take one setup, and I'm very calm, and I'm like a professional trader now, if you don't know. I firmly believe clean air is very important for longevity. Look at Hawaii, clean air, and they live long. Yeah, I agree, Deb. I mean, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, I kind of agree, John. SpaceX, waiting until that comes out. All right, now we're going lower. We keep waiting. We keep waiting. We might still get a setup here. Right now, our entry would be right here. All right, now we wait and see if we get filled. Now we wait. Sorry for the long issues, but glad you can manage it. Yeah, Shrews. Hey, I'm very thankful. You know what? I will we have some people in church right now that one of the people in one of the guys in church, he's a little bit they're younger than we are. They're like 10 years younger, and his wife has leukemia, going through treatments for the leukemia, and man, oh, it just makes you very thankful to have your health. That is, I mean, it's so easy to take your health for granted. But man, I once you don't have your health, it is just something to be very thankful. If you have a healthy body and a healthy mind, you can be very grateful. Oh, we're in chat. Oh, snap. First trade of the day. Let's do this. Rip it. All right, let's just get a nice, calm, no pressure, no stress. Rip this thing to new highs. Let's go. Oh, peace is canceled. Back war is back. No, we need peace to be on. Trump, please tweet something. Peace. We want world peace right now. We just wait. This is the hardest part. Once you're in a trade, you got to watch this stupid thing go. Uh-oh. Oh, rip it. Come on, market. Don't do me dirty. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Are we just going to keep rolling over now? Hmm. Come on, market. We need this thing to rip right here. Do it. Do it. No, not like that. Uh, come on, man. Yeah, this thing's gonna roll over, isn't it? I think we're still good as long as we stay above the 500s. But I feel like I could actually move my stop up. But I'm gonna keep it. Just got to get this big green candle to pop it. Pop it. Come on, do it. Ribbit. Do it. Okay, right here. Do it. Come on, man. Right here. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem. This is turning into a chop fest. And now this is turning into a chop fest. Oh, now rip it. Come on. Ah. Rip it. We just gotta. This is not. Hey, Bassnet. Bassnet, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Did I just burp? I did. Excuse me. Hey, it's the Coke Zero. Come on, baby, go. Just go. How hard can it be? Just go higher. Oh my gosh, it's just gonna do this all day long. Pop it. I'm getting annoyed. Starting to get impatient here. Come on, just go. Oh, this is so annoying. I think I just need to stop watching them, or I'll just stop watching it altogether. You know, if I close this trade, it's gonna rip, right? Come on, man. This is just an absolute chop fest right now. Go figure. Market was moving really nicely until I got in, and then it just going sideways. Seriously tempting me to just get out of the trade, but you know if I do it, it's gonna rip. Yeah, now we're cooked. This sucks. You suck, market. Thou sucketh. Just could not go higher. Just could not go higher. Look at this thing. If we don't rip right here, we are going to get cooked. We got to go. We have to rip right here. Come on. We have to break up through this. Go. Come on. Go. Come on. Oh, do not fake out again. Do not fake out again. That's it. Go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, you jerk. Go. 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 Come on, baby. Fill me. Oh, please do not take. Don't you dare. It's gonna go. It's gonna hit me. It's gonna take me out. I believe. I have faith. Oh my gosh. Go. This market is hilarious. Ribbit! Oh! Let's go, chat. It's too easy. We worked for that one. We worked for that one, chat. Oh, man. Imagine this dumps now. Hey, we're gonna take that trade and count it as a win, because it was a win in multiple reasons. Whew. Patience, patience, patience. Patience paid. It's too easy. I should not curse the market in 2.0 version. I gotta check the bylaws. I gotta check the bylaws. Did I take payout on the tape? Yes, Hammer 12. I did. Second payout taken on the take profit accounts this week. Here, look. Or let me look if I can find here. Where did I save my screenshot? Here it is. These are my payouts taken. It ain't much, but it's honest work, chat. $200 across 5 accounts. Hey, it adds up. It adds up. This last night I requested and Take Profit Trader approved the payouts really fast. It was like less than 30 minutes. It's pretty cool. Nutty 1.0 is more fun. I'm sure it is. All right. I mean, we could technically. I'm not going to justify another long here. Seems to be stalling. Man, I could go long again right here. Do I do it? And I feel like we should, but I mean, if I get filled, I'm going to take it. If I don't get filled, I'm just going to leave it, obviously. I miss watching you beg the market. It's okay, chat. Don't worry. Oh, okay. Never mind. We are going lower. Boy, we top ticked it, chat. Look at us. Look at us go. And straight dump. Looking this is now looking not looking that great for the longs. Dabbed. It made you miss trades. I can respect that, Dabda. I didn't like watching myself either. Yeah, I do think SpaceX is probably part of the reason that this thing is just not wanting to go. All right, this is like the last. We got one more candle. This candle needs to close, and then we could get another long. Let's just wait. One thing I don't like about Nutty 2.0 is that you don't. It's still early, Timbo. It's still early. So when is this SpaceX IPO actually not going to open until afternoon? And down goes Frazier. Right back down to the 440s. All right, now we don't have a setup. Now we got to wait. Now we got to wait. Which Apex 50K do I have, Leon? I have the end of day. I do have the end of day. Wow, look at this dump. Oh, man. This is going to be a boring day, I feel like. It's 169 and 170. Watch, chat. They're going to open it at 167. No. Oh, by the way, chat, I got to ask you guys. Have you guys been following the whole Lego scandal? Have you guys been following the Lego scandal thing? That is, oh my gosh. I got sucked into it. I got sucked into it, and now I'm fully vested. I am fully vested. Bricks and minifigs needs to be taken down. All right. The minifig store, we got to take them down, chat. Absolutely despicable. What's up with Lego? Yeah. The CoffeeZilla video. The CoffeeZilla video is a really good video, but it doesn't give the full. You have to go to Reckless Ben and watch his videos first to fully understand how messed up it is. You know what? If there is one thing that gets my attention, like if it is one thing that is something that just irks me, it really grinds my gears. And that is when I see cops that don't do their job and are egotistical maniacs. Don't do their jobs, don't care about the law, and just that, dude, all those cops need to be they need to be fired. Get them out of there, starting with the sergeant. Absolutely pathetic. That got me more worked up than anything. That's most of them, hence why they are a cop. I refuse to believe that most cops, I think, are good cops. It's like any other profession. Most of them are probably good cops. They follow the law, but then they have a couple bad apples, and it's just bad. They're terrible. Make a terrible but ego cops are the worst. And I know because I had it happen to me. I don't know if I ever told you guys the story. I think I did tell you guys the story of when I once had a little bit of a run-in with a cop once. And oh man, I'll tell you the story. We got all the time in the world. Now, I gotta put you in the right setting. Okay? So this was back when I was doing my Rumspringa years. So for those of you that understand Rumspringa, that's when it's when you're Amish, but you kind of go out into and you do whatever you want. I mean, that's a bad way of saying it, but in the grand scheme of things, that's pretty much how it works. And so in my Rumspringa years, I was driving and whatever. So I used to drive, and I had this I didn't care what people thought of me. I was driving a Buick, like an old Buick car. So it wasn't a nice car or anything like that. And we had some kind of volleyball event, and I was going to go pick up, like the volleyball teammates, and this was a co-ed volleyball game. So we were picking up, there was, I think, 2 girls and a guy that I was picking up. Whatever. That part doesn't really matter that much, but when I started from home to go pick up everybody, I thought, yeah, my car could use a little bit of a fresh scent, okay? So I went and I got out a fresh air freshener, and I hung it on my rearview mirror. Didn't think anything of it, chat. I was like, whatever. I do that all the time. Anyway, I proceed to leave, and I'm heading into town, and a cop goes and pulls me over, okay? And I still don't know for sure why he pulled me over. He claimed that I was left of center. Like, he claimed I went left of center. I don't think I did, but whatever. Anyway, he pulls me over. And I can just tell this cop is a douchebag right away. Like, I can just tell. And this was a state trooper. So he was a state trooper. He was not a local cop. And he pulls me over. He comes up to my door. I roll down my window. He comes up, and I'm being very polite. And I'm like, and he just immediately tells me, like, he immediately asks me, hey, what are you trying to hide? Like, that's his immediate interaction with me was, what are you trying to hide? And I'm just like, what are you talking about? Like, I was so confused. And I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not hiding anything. And he basically was like, oh, I'll find it. Don't you worry. That was his response. He was like, oh, I'll find it. Don't you worry. And I'm just like, what are you talking about? And he referenced the smell. He goes, I can tell that you just sprayed some stuff in here. I want to know what you're trying to hide. So I put my air freshener on the rearview mirror before I left home, and somehow he thought, having that fresh smell, he thought I was trying to hide drugs or something. And I was literally told him, I said, dude, I ain't trying to hide nothing. And by that time, I'm getting a little bit upset. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting annoyed. Anyway, oh my gosh, look at this thing rip. All right, well, we might get another long entry. Let's just wait. Anyway, this cop takes my information, goes back to his car. He's in his car maybe 2 minutes. Okay, he barely even checked my information. He comes back up to my window and he goes, "Do you want to do this the easy way or the hard way?" And I'm just like, "Are you serious?" And he's like, "Hey, do you mind if I search the car?" And I told him, I'm like, I mean, yeah, I kind of mind. I'm like, I'm in a hurry. I'm supposed to be picking somebody up already. I'm already late. And yes, I kind of do mind. And of course, he just like, he goes up in my face. He's like, "Oh, really? Well, I'll go get a judge and I'll get a warrant and I'll get a search warrant. I'm going to search your car. I'm going to find your drugs. I'll find him. Don't you worry. I'll find him." And I'm just like, "Are you serious?" And I wish I would have. Like, if I had to do it over again, I would have forced him to get a search warrant because he had zero probable cause. Like, literally, the only probable cause he had was the air freshener scent, which is just stupid. Anyway, I kind of laughed at him. And so then by then I was fully ticked off. Like, I was done with that cop. I was over it. And I finally told him, I said, "Whatever, dude." I literally told him, I said, "Whatever, dude. Do what you got to do. Go ahead and search my car. You're not going to find anything." And of course, he didn't like that. And then a local cop came into the scene and he asked me to go back and stand with the local cop and wait until he searched my car. Look at this thing rip, Chad. Look at it rip. Jeez. I mean, we might get another long setup here, but we wait now. Crazy. Anyway, so I'm sitting there and I told him, I said, "I want to watch you search my car." I'm like, "I'm going to watch." And he said, "Okay, but I have to stay with the other officer." And the other officer was a local cop. And this local cop even rolled his eyes at this guy. And I could tell the local cop was not on board with what was happening. But anyway, so this cop, this is not even this is just the beginning of what happened. So anyway, this state trooper searches my car for 30 minutes, turns it upside down. I mean, he went through everything. And he finally gives up. He finally gives up. He comes back and he tells me, "Oh, okay, I guess, yeah, you're good to, he basically admitted, "Yeah, you don't have, I didn't find anything. You didn't have anything in the car." And of course, I can't help myself. I can't help myself. And I just told him, "I told you I didn't have any drugs in the car." It's like, "I tried to tell you." And that just flipped him. Oh, he got mad. He got up in my face and he was yelling at me, "You think I believe everything I get told? Blah, blah, blah." He just going off on me. And yeah, Terry, I did. I told him, "I told you. I told you." Oh, but he got mad. But anyway, through all of this, then he goes back to his car and then he comes up and he gives me a ticket for window tint. He not once did he mention window tint ever. So now all of a sudden he comes up and gives me a ticket for window tint. And oh, I was mad. And I'm like, "Are you kidding me? Like, are you serious? You're going to give me a ticket after all this?" And he's like, "Yep, you got to get your window tint removed. It's too dark." I was so mad. I told him, I said, and I asked him, I said, "How much do you think it'll cost me to remove my window tint. I had no idea. He didn't have any. He had no idea either. But he goes, I have no idea how much it costs. Maybe $300-400. And I asked him, how much is the fine? How much is the fine for the window tint? He looks at the ticket and it was $80. It was $80, and I look at him and I said, well, in that case, you can give me about 4 more tickets before I'm going to take it off. He got so mad. He was so mad. And he literally threatened me. He's like, I know where you live. I know where you are. I'm going to find you. I will give you those tickets. He was serious too. And guess what? He literally did. That cop, he was an absolute douchebag. I'm not joking. I am not joking. This cop literally stalked me at my residence. He would literally sit a quarter of a mile from where I lived, and he would sit there, and he gave me 2 more tickets for window tint. Literally pulled me in my driveway, and he literally gave me 2 more tickets. And that was the last time he did that. On the last time he pulled me over, I asked for his badge number, I asked for his sergeant name, and I called in to the state trooper's office, and I talked to the sergeant, and I told him I want to file an official complaint. And at first, the sergeant was kind of like, okay, whatever. But when the sergeant pulled up my information, he could tell that the same guy pulled me over 3 times. And twice, it was in my own driveway. So what I was saying, he could see there was evidence. So he literally called me back the next day. And trust me, they were worried that they were going to get sued, because he called me back the next day and he said, hey, he literally apologized for what happened. And he said that the sergeant has been reprimanded and that will never happen again. And it never did. I never saw that cop again. But man, that was a perfect example of an egotistical maniac cop. Gosh, he ticked me off. I was getting really close to sending the Amish Mafia on him, but I didn't. We almost got out the Amish Mafia. Then things would have gotten really interesting. All right, market. We are right at the overnight highs. Look at this thing rip. What is SpaceX doing? It's still just, it's all over the place. What is happening? Amish Mafia, you're intrigued. If you know, you know. So right now, SpaceX is at 162. Huh. So SpaceX hasn't officially traded yet, right? But it's slowly bidding lower. Moto. Is the Amish Mafia a real thing? No, it is not. I was just kidding. All right, market. Are we gonna? What happened here? Was there? I mean, what was the news here? There had to be some kind of news. Vice President Vance, I'm not seeing a lot of fake information. Oh, wait, he says, I'm seeing a lot of fake information about a potential deal to reopen the strait and end Iran's nuclear weapons program. First, the Iranians are not receiving any cash, and no funds are being released for simply signing a deal or attending a meeting. But Iran's foreign minister says Islamabad memorandum of understanding has never been closer. Chat, do you remember on Monday? Was it Monday or Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday, Trump was going to drop bombs. Remember? Remember, I literally said, this is just a perfect setup. By Friday, we're going to have a peace deal. I rest my case, chat. I rest my case. It's too easy. All right, we got to come on. We got to see this pull back into the 550s. Come on down, Charlie Brown. We'll go along with we're going to strike them, and we're going to strike them hard. That's what he said on Tuesday. Friday, oh, we're getting really close to a peace deal. It's like I gotta find this headline, chat. Hang on. I gotta find this. Here, chat. This is hilarious. Babylon B. Look at Babylon B's headline. I literally laughed out loud when I saw this headline. Trump sets new world record by winning the war with Iran 27 times in 1 year. That's too funny, man. You gotta love it. That is actually perfect. Oh, it's perfect. That is too funny. Come on, market. Don't do that. I wanted a deeper pullback here. Oh well. All right, we swept the overnight highs now. Can we dump back down, please? Too much of a roller coaster. Oh, you want another roller coaster ride back down? It's becoming less satire and more truth. Brian M, it's true. The reason that Babylon B is so funny, there's just enough truth in their satire that it makes it funny. Oh, I love it. I love it. This is the current game plan. We're negotiating, making progress. Iran will face punishment if no deal. We're expecting to hear from Iran soon. And that deal was trash. It's like, this is what's happening every week. It's just on a Ferris wheel. We just keep going round and round and round. It's very true. I love the internet. I love the internet. Look at that. All right, this is the real red line for real this time. Red line, really, really. And Iran's there. That's cute. Oh, that is too funny. Oh, that is too funny. It's too funny. What was the meme from? That was just a post on X. Mhm. We got to get a pullback. If we get a nice pullback here, we can take another long. Oh. We got to get a pullback. We got to get a pullback. And we just keep going higher. All right, overnight highs. Overnight highs being tested. We just got to wait. Am I planning to trade SpaceX today? No, definitely not. Looks like a good day for it. What's my interpretation? It's still early. It's still early. I'm going to try to be patient and wait. I don't know. Today might be an early day. Might be an early day. I don't think this afternoon is going to get any better. Come on, give me a pullback. Come on. Yeah, it's got to get better. Yeah, I agree. It seems like the actual deal that everybody agreed to is keep trolling everybody. These negotiations are becoming a meme. Yeah, hammer, 100% right. It's like nobody believes it. Trump can come out and say we have a peace deal. Nobody's even going to believe it. And we are going higher. 690, 700s, 29, 700s. Crazy, crazy. I feel like on top of dueling tweets, we have the start of futures rollover. Yeah, the rollover is going to be really. I think to, I think next week, like Monday, Tuesday, is going to be the worst. And there are the 700s. Oh, I mean, man. All right. Come on. Please give me a pullback. I think my first comment here on this stream was never believe what Orange Man says. Yeah, it's true. Turns out nation states behave a bit differently from other real estate owner, bankers, and yeah, damn, dude, that's so true. The art of the deal doesn't work on Iran. I think that has been definitely. I mean, you can't keep crying wolf. Eventually, you know, it's just not going to work, man. Come on, market. Ugh. We're never getting a setup, man. Yeah, this is unfortunate. When am I going to roll over? Probably tonight in bed. I'll roll over tonight in bed at least twice. Oh, you mean my charts? Oh, I'll probably do Monday or Tuesday. Just long, and if it pulls back, add more. That sounds like something Nutty 1.0 would have done. Nutty 1.0 would do the old Nutty 1.0 would do the pullback strat right here. You know it. I will admit that pullback strategy never once failed. 100% win rate. Yeah, I'll just keep rolling over all weekend. I'll take the covers with me. $7.20s. There it is. The Lucid Flex accounts seem easy. What's the catch? There ain't no catch, Auntie. Take that money and run. Where am I seeing the SpaceX? I think it's currently at 160 currently. Excuse me. I'm still laughing when I hear Nutty. I got shot in the dick again. Hey, it's true, Will Grimmer. It's true. We have to get this pullback. Man, this thing really is just going to keep going higher, chat. We are just going to keep going higher. Hmm. Are we not getting the pullback, chat? Actually, somebody in chat, who wants to volunteer as tribute? Who wants to volunteer as tribute? We need somebody in chat to do the pullback strategy for me. I've done it many times for you. I need somebody to volunteer as tribute and take along. Somebody needs to take along up here and see if we can't get a pullback. Come on, somebody do it. Oh, you're gonna do it on ES? Oh man, I'm not sure that works, Wall Street. Maybe we'll try it. Nutty 1.0 would 100% do it right now. Show us how one more time. Tate. PW just said you got a 10K Pokemon card. Is he mad? Literally, I'm not joking, chat. It's real. Well, it might not be 10K, but I bought Kevin. Kevin got into Pokemon cards, right? And we bought Kevin. He said he wants this one, like, I don't know, Pokemon pack, whatever. And I bought it at Walmart. I literally went to Walmart. We bought it online at Walmart. We got it shipped to her house like 3 days later. And he was Kevin was telling me, like, this Charizard, like, this is the best card you can pull, but it's like only a 1 in 100 chance. You can open 100 packs and there's like a 1 in 100 chance of pulling that card. I'm not kidding. The first pack he opens, he pulls the card. I didn't even realize like how big of a deal that was. I was just like, oh, okay, I guess that's pretty cool. He was freaking out. Literally, he was freaking out. It was pretty funny. And then I took a picture. I took a picture of it and I sent it to Patrick and I said, is this good? He's like, there's no way. And I told him, yeah, I just bought it at Walmart. He didn't believe me. I don't know. He said there's no way. He didn't believe me, but it's true. It was hilarious. Oh, it was funny. Come on, somebody needs to buy this up here. Come on, chat. Take one for the team. Come on. No, Sharuz, you're supposed to go long. We need somebody to go long so we can get a pullback. Okay? Thanks, Frosty Ducks. Let's go. Keegan, Patrick was just talking about that on stream. Yeah, somebody in chat said. Yeah, and I was just explaining what actually happened. Hey, let's go. M. Susan took one for the team. Shout out to M. Susan for taking one for the team. Now, it might not work if I don't do it. I might be the one that's required to do it. So, I don't know. It might not work, but we'll see. Let's hope. Come on, get down there. Hey, hey, M. Susan, it's working, M. Susan. Thank you, M. Susan. I might owe you something. Finally getting a pullback. Oh, no. Open a long position on one of I actually thought about that MK futures. I'm like, if I would just do one account only, maybe it would work. And Frosty Ducks. Thank you, Frosty Ducks. Frosty Ducks and M. Susan. They're taking one for the team. Well, I think. Come on, market. Don't do this. Stop. I'll take an Apex account. Come on, market. Don't. This thing is just going to go. Oh, you were first, Wall Street. What am I, chopped liver? But you did it on ES. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it's still not confirmed if it works. But this thing looks like it. This is looking like one of those grind higher days. But I think everyone's just waiting on that IPO to hit. I don't know. I don't know, man. $155 is the current bid ask now. $155. I see my lawn guys have arrived. Hey, it's working. It's working. Let's go. All right. All right. Now we got to get a bigger pullback though. Ideally, I want to pull back into the 675s would be nice, but we might have to take a small pullback. We might have to take whatever we can get. Ooh. SpaceX is now bidding at 150. Bigger pullback. How long 20 Apex and 5 TBTs? That would definitely do it, Frosty Ducks. That would 100%. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Mr. Wall Street, Frosty Ducks, and M. Susan. You did it. You did it. You have officially confirmed. Let's go. I feel bad now. Not financial advice, by the way. If I forgot to mention that. My bad. My bad. All right. Nay, I need to pay attention here. All right, entry's going to be right there for now. I can buy 2 Lucid accounts twice, or can I buy the bundle of 5 twice? Oh, that's a good question, Auntie. Well, no. Lucid doesn't do bundles yet, do they? I don't think so. I wish. But unless am I mistaken? I think that's Tradeify that does the bundle. Tradeify and Apex, you can buy 5 at a time. Sounds like a schemer and a scammer. We'll send you the invoice. Yes, I'll take a look at it, MSUs. I'll take a look at it. Okay. Crazy how that pullback happened just like that. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, look at this thing dump. Now I feel bad. Anybody remember the Facebook? I remember Facebook IPO. Facebook IPO, you could have bought at $27 a share. I think it was like $27 or $30. You could have bought the Facebook IPO. Oh, snap. What happened? Did we just get cooked? Did we just get cooked, chat? What was that? Come on, rip it. What in the world? That was crazy rip. This is not good. That looks like a fake out. We will wait. Kind of want it. I'll kind of want to see if we can't get a move up into the 800s. Yeah, this is gonna take us out. That was a nasty fake out. Rip it. Feels bad. We are going to get stopped here. And we are stopped. Now? Maybe? Maybe? Is it going to give us a hope and nope? Nope, we're getting ripped. Don't shoot me in the tick chat. Don't do it. Not today. Thank you. Well, I guess it is what it is. It's unfortunate. A little bit of a fake. That was a big fake out. Huh. Oh, market. I knew today was going to be it's just not great. Mm. All right, down we go. Crazy. We can still get one more entry right here, the 600s, but do we enter again? Technically, my entry would be right here. I don't really want to, but I have to. Hmm. You know what, Chet? I'm gonna. Are we getting filled? Are we gonna get filled? All right, we not looking good here for an entry. Uh, that's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I still trust the longs, kind of, but this 600 level needs to hold. This will be my last potential entry here. Hey man, that thing just bleeding lower. Bleeding lower. I guess we wait. If we don't get an entry on the close of this candle, then no more longs. Let's go, Captain Crunch. You qualify for a Pro Plus? Let's go, Captain Crunch. Awesome. That is awesome. This is not looking good for the longs. Not looking good at all. All right, maybe. All right. I'm going to, if I get filled here, great. If not, I'm going to close it. Let's see if we get filled. Oh, that was close. All right, we're in, chat. All right, let's see if we can get some, let's see if we can get a rip now. Love to see this thing just rip straight back up. Come on. It's going to be another fake out. Oh, this might be another fake out. Rip bozo. Volatility is also kind of, I don't know that it's died down a lot, but seems like the market's moving pretty slowly. Yeah, it's doing the old dumperooski. We're just straight down. Oh, all right. I might call it here. I might actually give up. All right. All right. All right. All right. You know what, chat? We're going to do a giveaway, 6 months subscriber mode only. Subscriber mode only for 6 months. We're going to do 450K take profit trader accounts. We're going to start right now. Exclamation mark NBT. Exclamation mark NBT to get entered. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to call it a wrap today. I'm going to call it. It's just, this is, we're getting these V-shaped moves. I still think we go higher today, but I'm not sure when. Man, look at this thing dump. This is crazy. Crazy, man. Hmm. Ross Cameron up 81K trading SpaceX. Is it actually going now? Oh, it is. SpaceX officially trading. Wow. It opened at 150. Sorry, I was not paying attention. I was probably my trade. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, now we'll. This thing just wants to do the V-shaped move, huh? Now we're gonna rip higher. Come on, man. We're back. Are we just gonna roll over? Are we gonna roll over all day? Chat, hang on. I gotta make a call. All right, it looks like we are just gonna keep going lower. Is the IPO? Is that what's happening? What a dump! What a dump! It's 162. Yeah. NQ broke the Tory tan line. Hey. Hey, Clyde, how we doing? Longs will be hard to win if SpaceX keeps going up. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think we go? I don't know. It felt like we go higher today, but this thing's starting to really roll over. We might see this thing dump. Maybe we're going to see a repeat of last Friday. Last Friday was a day to remember. It was 1 week ago where we had the 1,600 point dump. The higher SpaceX goes, the more people will sell other stocks and FOMO into SpaceX. Clyde, see, I don't know that I buy that. I don't know. I mean, you really think people are going to sell NVIDIA and buy SpaceX at this price? If they do, they deserve to lose money. I don't think a lot of people are going to do that. That's just dumb. Only the newbies? Maybe. Mm. Mm. Let's see. We might just, this thing might just dump and keep dumping. All right, let's do the duck race, chat. Let's do the duck race. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore today. I'm gonna call it a day. Let's do the duck race. Okay, let's 15 name top 4, chat. Top 4 will be getting 150K take profit trader accounts. That will include, if you pass them, it will include a free activation as well. All right. Let us I think we're ready. Let's go, chat. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. The first name in the duck race, Trading Funds 111. Trading Funds 111. Congrats and good luck. Next is Matt. Oh, I thought it was Matty Matt, but it's Matt 52781. All right, next name is Z White dash W4I, I think. All right, next name, Profit Raider Funded. Profit Raider Funded. Good luck to you, sir. Next name, Night Abyss T. Night Abyss. Good luck to you. Next name, Douglas Butler, 6317. Good luck to you. Top Trading Boss is in. Good luck. Oh, shoot. Hang on, Chad. I got to take this phone call. Okay, chat, we're back. All right, sorry about that. All right, next name is Arrow Boy. Arrow Boy. All right, good luck. Next name is Fasika Gurma. Man, I that name's got me. All right, next name is JRC. JRC 209. All right, we gotta get rid of 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. Hang on. All right, next name, Sandboy Baka. Sandboy Baka, next name, Oh, come on. Next name, Sir Doss. You can only be in the duck race one time. Sir Doss. Good luck. Next name, Flow Just Trade. Next name, Nick Parker YT1. Nick Parker. That sounds familiar, but all right. Final name. Final name is, was Nick Parker in yesterday's race? Or am I tripping? Next name is Trader Oz. Trader Oz. S51. I feel like Nick Parker was in yesterday's duck race. Let me check. If he won yesterday, maybe we'll do someone else. So the cop was right. I had drugs. It's not true. Not true. Okay, so no, Nick Parker was not in yesterday's race. All right, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. I'm going to leave everything the way it is. All right, chat. Yeah, you're good, Nick Parker. All right, here we go. These are the names. Top 4. Top 4 will get a 150K TPT account. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Let's do 2-minute race. Here we go. Shuffle the characters one time. Are you ready? Here we go. And the ducks are off. They're out of the gate, heading down. Not the home stretch. All right, here we go. It is neck and neck right out of the gate. We've got Profit Raider funded. We've got Night Abyss, Arrow Boy, IRC, Sandboy, Baka, and Flow Just Trade. Top Trading Boss now has taken the early lead by a half a length. Here comes Arrow Boy in the red duck. Here he comes, trying to pick up some speed. We've got Nick Parker as the clown duck at the bottom of your screen. Here we go. And we've got 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. And Top Trading Boss is still in the lead. Here comes Douglas Butler, 6317. Douglas Butler now. Here comes Nick Parker. The clown duck wants the lead, and he's got it. Nick Parker, YouTube 1, has officially taken the lead. Clown duck for the win. Trader Oz now trying to make his move. It's a very congested field right now. Here comes Sandboy Baka. Sandboy Baka now surges ahead, and he is neck and neck with Fasika Gurma. Fasika is currently the purple duck. He is currently winning by about a quarter length. We've got a very congested second place. JRC, Profit Raider, and Top Trading Boss. Here comes Matt. Oh no, some ducks just tripped and fell. Right now it's Top Trading's boss race to lose. 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna make a move? Top Trading boss, can he hold on? He's losing steam. He's gonna lose it. Here comes Trading Funds. Trading Funds. Oh, Trading Funds. He surges ahead and wins it. That might be the biggest debacle I have ever seen. That duck race was won, but he dropped. Oh, what a bad. Oh, man, that was rough. That was tough. That was tough to see. We have Trading Funds 111. I hope, at least I hope he gets 4th place. Oh, man. Here we go. The final results are in. Who's it gonna be? Oh, are you kidding me? Top Trading boss was literally winning with 4 seconds to go, and he just could not do it. He ends up in 8th place. Oh, man, he fumbled. He fumbled bad. All right, here we go. These are the official results. In 4th place is Fasika Gurma 9252. And coming in 3rd place, Night Abyss T with 3rd place. And coming in 2nd place is Douglas Butler 6317. And rounding it out, coming in 1st, as you all saw, Trading Funds 111. Man, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place was very close. Night Abyss and Douglas Butler, that looks like a tie. But I guess Douglas Butler, it does look like he got the win, got 3rd place or 2nd place by a whisker. All right, there you go. That is the duck race. That concludes it. Thanks for watching. Let me type in the chat what you guys need to do. Give me a second. Send me an email to nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. Include a screenshot of your YouTube channel and your TPT email. All right, chat, that's what I need. The top 4. I need a screenshot of your YouTube channel name to make sure it's you. Send it to nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. And then include your email address for your Take Profit Trader account. And I'll get those credits sent to you. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. And thanks for playing. Oh, look at this thing go, chat. She's a ripper. Oh, she's a ripper. Wow. Very choppy market. I kind of knew it was going to be, but what a rip. What a rip higher. And it's still going. Wow. Wowzers. Man, I think I'm gonna call it, chat. I'm gonna walk away on the day. I don't know. I'm kind of okay with where we're at. I kind of doubt we're gonna get many setups. I also have I have to get ready for an auction tonight. There's an auction that I'm in charge of, so I gotta get ready for that tonight. Got things I need to do. Get ready for the weekend. I think we're going to call it a little bit earlier than normal, but I think we're going to call it here and get ready for a weekend. No, not an eBay auction, in-person auction. I help out with some auctions. It's basically local benefit auctions. Benefit auctions for charity, and I do the clerking for it. So I got to get ready for that. And got some things I need to do. All right. So I'm going to call here, chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your weekend. And stay safe. We'll be back on Monday, chat. We'll be back on Monday. Nutty 2.0 will be back next week. Take care and God bless.